A whole 297-year gap may have been inserted into history. That sounds impossible, but that is why the idea spread. Some writers looked at early medieval records and saw jumps, missing links, and dates that felt wrong. Then the theory met hard resistance, because critics said gaps in records do not mean years were invented. A torn document can hide a decade, but it cannot prove 297 years vanished. The mystery grew louder when people pointed at a calendar reform that made the count feel suspicious. But a reform can change the labels, not erase lived time, and that is where the argument starts to wobble. Look deeper, and the story stops being about missing years and becomes about fragile records. Monks, scribes, and rulers copied history by hand, so one bad copy could spread for generations. If the theory were true, kings, churches, wars, and dates would all need a rewrite. But the evidence never locks into a clean answer, and that is why the claim stays on the edge. So what do historians actually keep? Not a hidden 297-year steal, but a warning. History is what survived, what got copied, and what people trusted long after the ink dried. That is why the phantom time hypothesis still pulls people in. It does not prove the past was stolen, but it forces you to look twice at every neat line on a timeline. The theory stays fringe, but the question survives. How much of history is exact, and how much is just the best copy we kept? If you want more strange true history, follow for the next one.